Authorities are rushing to fight another outbreak of dengue, fumigating nearly 70,000 homes in small inhabited areas in the Amazon to kill the mosquitoes that carry the disease. Authorities say this latest outbreak began in October here in the Manatay district. It's a poor community on the riverbanks, but now it has extended throughout 15 regions in the country. The first victim in the district was 15-year-old Danny Iwaraki. His mother, Sara Torres, says she didn't know what to do.
We took him to the hospital. I watched as my son struggled, but he died. I didn't know what the symptoms of dengue were.
In the last 2 weeks, the hospital in the regional capital has had between 30 to 40 new patients with symptoms every day. Most are poor and uneducated people. Health authorities say more than 21,000 people have been infected and 32 have died in Peru in the last year.
I've been here 4 days with a lot of pain and fever. People have to take care of themselves, but I don't wish this pain on anyone. It's unbearable.
Dr. Cayo Levo says there are over 161,000 cases in Latin America, 18% of them in Peru. Most patients are in jungle areas. He says the people from this region are more vulnerable than others.
We are more vulnerable to being infected with dengue because we've had epidemics here since 1990. So every time one gets ill, one is more prone to getting dengue with a higher level of severity.
An educational campaign is underway. Signs in affected areas are encouraging people to rush to hospitals. Nearly 70% of people in these communities lack drinkable water and canal systems to help stagnant water flow. Social workers are also going door to door, teaching people in Manatay and other communities how to detect and combat the disease.
We have 15 community agents who go door to door teaching people how to keep their backyards and water clean. And if one feels the dengue symptoms, we recommend they go to the nearest health center to get proper treatment.
Health officials say they are working against the clock to contain the outbreak as the rainy season has begun, making the battle to control the epidemic much harder. Mariana Sanchez, Al Jazeera, Lima, Peru.